Welcome back to Love Vegan, and this week we'll be making Prik Nam Pla. This is a Thai condiment that can add a serious chili kick to any dish you're making. So you will need a couple of cloves of garlic, some shallots, some Thai chillies. We're using some really hot Thai chillies here, so use as many as you like. And we use some lime and some vegan fish sauce. So we're going to start by adding 3 tablespoons of fish sauce to the bowl. Now there's no real rules for making Prik Nam Pla. You can use as much or a little as anything as you like. So you can just start by pouring some fish sauce into a bowl, no real need to measure it out. Then we're going to add 3 red chilies and 3 green chilies. Again, these are super hot Thai chilies, so use as many or as little as you like. So you're just going to slice the chilies up into little chunks, as you see here. We brought these back from Thailand. These are super hot chilies. Next up, take one of your cloves of garlic and thinly slice it. Take 1 shallot, cut it in half, and then again thinly slice. Next, take one of your limes, give it a roll to get some of the juices flowing. So we're going to cut it in half. The first thing we're going to do is cut 2 slices for decoration. This is entirely optional. Then take 1/2 of your lime and then squeeze it into the fish sauce. And then take all the other ingredients you've chopped up and put them into the fish sauce and lime. So at this point, again, use whatever discretion you like. If you like it hot, chuck it all in. If you want to err on the side of caution, maybe not so much chilies. This condiment is super hot. It really packs a punch. So again, make it to your own taste and use some discretion when using it. And then just leave it for a couple of hours, let the flavors soak into that vegan fish sauce. And all you need to do is just add a little bit onto any dish to give it a serious kick. And that's it. It's simple, so easy to make, ready in just a couple of minutes. So that's it, Prik Nam Pla, ready to go. As you can see, there's a lot of chili seeds in there. You're welcome to de-seed and de-pith your chilies if you like. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week on Love Vegan.